everyone, this is Lexie with SYS Education, and I'm here with another Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we are talking about how to use the calendar page in Canvas. Hope you learned something. To open the calendar feature in Canvas, simply look to the left-hand sidebar and select the calendar icon. The Canvas calendar defaults to the monthly view, but there are several other ways you can use it if you have different preferences. Canvas also offers the weekly view, which shows you the current week and a more detailed time breakdown, or you can use the agenda, which shows you any upcoming assignments or events on your calendar by order of date. You can also toggle between the month or the week that you're currently looking at by using the small calendar in the upper right-hand corner and clicking through the months using the arrows. If you select a date, you can also return to today's date by clicking on the Today button in the top left corner. Any assignments that you have coming due will display on the calendar on their due date. To view more information about an assignment, simply click on it to see a pop-out with a link and any more information that your teacher has included. You can also add events by simply clicking on the day and inputting an event title and a date and any more information that you would like to add. You can change the color of your calendars by clicking on the three dots next to them. Then you can select a color from the options presented, or if you would like, you can enter your own hex code and click Apply. This color will also apply to the color of the course on your dashboard. You can also change the display settings of a calendar by toggling them on or off. For example, I can turn my calculus calendar off by clicking on the box next to it. And if I would like to turn it back on, I can simply click on the box again. The last thing about the calendar is that you can see any undated assignments in the undated section. These should all populate, although it can sometimes take quite a while to load if you have many undated assignments. The calendar is a very useful feature for keeping track of what you need to do and when you need to do it by. All right, everyone, I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe below, and tune in next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.